Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can update your Wirex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app, and once you open it, you need to click on the profile like icon. So from there, select manage apps and devices and see recent updates. So now you can simply scroll down to the Wirex app itself, and once you find your Wirex app, simply tap on it. So once you tap it, you can see that there is no updates available. However, if there were updates, then instead of open, there would have been update option. So you can come back and see that if any updates are available on the updates list itself as well. And if there is one, then simply press on the update button to update it. So this is how your Wirex app can be updated. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.